Our clinic contributes to a patient by the special method of the Ohguchi dental implant method and the Ohguchi orthodontics. Briefing session of the Ohguchi style implant operation method, not to sharpen a bone with a drill. Target, dentist, lecturer, Dr. Ohguchi, holding of a briefing session at any time. Practical dentistry today is primarily done with a set of sophisticated dental instruments.
Yeah. One of the earliest dental tools is a drill. The first dental drill appeared in 7000 BC and was invention of the Indus Valley civilization.
It was actually a bow drill, and it is believed that it was operated by skilled-based craftsmen because its main use was in production of beads and jewelry.
Yeah. Next step is development of dental drill or mechanical hand drills. Well, they were quite slow.
The first mechanical dental foot engine was built by John Greenwood in 1790.
It was inspired by the foot-powered spinning wheel.
The clockwork dental drill was invented in 1864 by British dentist George Bellows Harrington.
Yeah.
It was much faster than hand drills, but also produced great deal of noise.
Oh, yeah. American dentist George F. Green invented a pneumatic dental drill in 1868.
It was powered with pedal-operated bellows.
Pedal-powered burr drill appeared in 1871 and was an invention by James B. Morrison.
George F. Green also invented and patented the first electric dental drill in 1875, which revolutionized dentistry.
Yeah. Electric dental drills were improved in time, and by 1940, they could reach speed of above 3,000 RPM.
John Patrick Walsh, with members of the staff of the Dominion Physical Laboratory, DPL, Wellington, New Zealand, invented predecessor of a modern air turbine handpiece dental drill in 1949.
Modern dental drills based on this can have up to 800,000 RPM, although they most commonly have up to 400,000 RPM. Dental burrs are used in these handpieces and are made of tungsten carbide or diamond.
Thank you, Dr. Ohguchi. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Please don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Oral gel was updated.
Yeah, it's an oral gel. As well as conventional oral gel, 5 kinds of glue drugs are included.
Yes.
5 kinds are mastic resin, grapefruit seed, coconut oil, glue, licorice.
What is the difference with the former gel?
Yeah, mastic resin was increased.
What kind of effects are there?
Yeah, it is effective in sterilization and periodontal disease prevention. In addition, it is effective against bad breath. It is also effective whitening and effective in sterilizing Helicobacter pylori.
Splendid.
It is alright even if you swallow or eat this gel.
Oh, it's safe.
It's safe. It's possible to use from a small child to the elderly in peace.
You can buy it from here.
Yeah. Please remember, it is doctor's product.